Alright y'all, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make some money off the app called Tag. I made a couple videos like that and I see you guys are liking it. So I'm just doing an update, you know what I'm saying? Because you know, Tag is a good way to make money if you're a streamer. If you like to stream, if you like to be on camera, you know what I'm saying? Tag is the new app where a lot of people go on there and stream. And you know, I'm finna plug y'all in. So basically, for Tag, you wanna it's basically an app for real. You just streaming on there, and it's supposed to be a dating app, but I don't really think nobody really dating on there. I think a lot of people really trying to just get the bag. So, you know what I mean? That's what it seemed like when I was on the app. So, you know, Tag it has its pros and cons. You know what I'm saying? I would say the pro for real, if you get on Tag, is you could get in front of a lot of people, right? And if you're an entrepreneur or if you're a business owner like myself, you know, I run a YouTube channel, so I might go on Tag to promote my YouTube, right? So that's one way for me. I utilize the app to get in front of a lot of people, whether like, you know what I'm saying, Instagram, you can't really see people, like you can see their photos, but you got a DM, it's a lot of work. Tag, you gonna get really in front of people fast. So you can get in front of people fast, and a lot of people send you gifts. So how you get the money is basically, you know, you gotta reach a certain amount of diamonds to get paid, and then they give you like PayPal like $200 or something like that. For guys, I would say for men that's on Tag, it's, you know, it's a few people that really make some money on there. I was talking to, they're like, yeah, I made like a nice, you know, amount of change on there. I was like, what? That's off Tag, off an app? Yeah, like, you know what I mean? So if you guys, it's something to do if you like, you know, you bored and you want to get in front of the people and talk, it's cool. But the cons of that though is you might run into somebody that just might irritate the heck out of you. You know what I'm saying? You like, dude, this dude irritating the heck out of me, and that could be, you know, it could disturb you from really want to be on the app. So you know what I'm saying, you got to really watch out for people that really just being, you know, rude as heck. Especially if you're a dude and you match with another guy, you know what I'm saying, they might say some slick stuff on there, and you know what I mean, it might just go left. So that's one thing it's kind of bad about the app. But on the pro side, you can make some money off the app if you like to stream. You know what I mean, if you want to be a streamer full time, you can definitely make some money off of it. And on top of that, if you want to, like, if you run a business, you get a lot of people, you know, within a certain amount of time. I think it'll have like a clock time of how you want to talk to them. You will hit the favor if you hit the favor button if you really like what they got to say, and then potentially you could verse them or something like that, because you know they do like verses and stuff like that. They got like rap battles on there, so if you're a rapper and you want to, you know, get with other rappers or something, you can freestyle on there. You know what I'm saying? Here and there I did a couple freestyles. It was cool, and I met a couple rappers on there, so I got to talk about, you know, my music and stuff like that. So Tag it definitely has, you know, it's a decent app. You know, it's pretty cool sometimes. You know, so you know, I recommend, if you guys, you know, if you bored, try it out. You know what I'm saying? And you might make some money off of it, or you might just had a good time. Or, you know, you might find somebody you digging off the app, like, cause it's a dating app, right? I don't know. Anybody in the comments, if y'all met anybody off Tag, drop it below if you met somebody off Tag and stuff like that. But I feel like a lot of people really get on the app to really just try to make money on there, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I think that'd be a good way for you to make a little side cut, like side income. You know, just something on the side. Maybe you want to do it on a weekend. But like I said, I seen people that do that full time. I'm like, yo, you full time? You be on here all the time? They be like, yeah, like I'm a full time streamer. So possibly you can make some money off of it. So if you guys are on Tag, you shoot my check out my Tag name, Raw Inc, and you know, add me on Tag, y'all. But that's all I got for this video. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Peace.